Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Remove the right inner fender well splash shield. Remove the drive belt. On models with an automatic tensioner, rotate the belt tensioner clockwise using a wrench on the pulley bolt to release tension on the drive belt. Slide the drive belt off the AC compressor, then carefully release the drive belt tensioner. Remove the drive belt from the engine. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the alternator. Remove the ground cable bolt and position the cable aside for better access to the alternator. Remove the alternator mounting bolts,